Hello, my name is Phil Visselcohen, assistant instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the Japanese stance getting into the wedge guard. The important thing in here is when you've got somebody that's being aggressive towards you but not engaging you at that point, you want to get into a non-aggressive stance. So let's say somebody's in front of me and they start trash talking me. So I want to get into a stance where I'm in a safe place where I can react, and I don't want to give a stance where I want to fight. Okay, I don't want to start a fight. I want to prevent a fight. So basically, I'm going to start with the Japanese stance like so. Okay, front hand up in my side of my face, and the other hand comes up underneath. Okay, you want to make sure your feet not together like this, a little bit apart. So you want to build a little bit of stability. Okay, so let's say this person is starting to trash talk you when it starts getting a little bit aggressive and is going to come at you. So what you want to do is you want to move away just a little bit. So you're going to shift that back foot like so and get that elbow up nice and high to protect your face. So start from the Japanese stance. Okay, ready? And then shift back to a base stance. Okay? So, and then shift back into a wedge guard, just like so. And have the other hand, back hand ready just in case you need to use it to protect yourself. So let me do it from the side. Okay? So the aggressor's standing over there, is going to get aggressive towards me. I'm going to give him the Jack Benny stance. And he's going to come at me. I'm going to move away and get that elbow up nice and high, just like that. Okay? Then shift back. Make sure your knees are bent a little bit too. And like so. So I'm going to have Mr. Booker come in with a double blocker to demonstrate actually a strike towards me. Okay? So I'm going to start from the Jack Benny stance. Okay, so he's starting to get aggressive towards me. So he's going to move towards me and attack. Okay, make sure you get that elbow nice and high. And attack. And attack. One more time. And attack. Okay, so if you keep your elbow too low, they're going to be able to hit your face. So you don't want that. So you really want to, you want to get that elbow nice and high to protect your face. Let's try from the other side too. Okay. Jack Benny stance. Okay, and attack. Okay, good. And attack. Okay, make sure your knees are bent, just like so. And if I have to move back, then I will shuffle step if I move it further back. Okay, ready? And go. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mr. Booker. So the important thing is you want to move away from your aggressive, to give you a little bit of space, and you want to get that elbow up nice and high to protect your face, okay? So if he tries to throw a punch at you or grab you, you've got that elbow right there in front. And that is the Jack Benny stance shifting into a wedge guard.